Hey everyone, and welcome back here to AI Hospitality Insights, where we explore how AI is transforming the hotel and hospitality industry. And today we are diving into one of the most exciting and impactful applications of AI in hospitality, and that is hyper personalized guest experiences. Now, imagine this: a guest arrives at your hotel after a long journey, and instead of the standard check in, the front desk already knows their room preferences, dietary restrictions, and favorite amenities. How, may you ask? Through AI driven guest profiling. This seamless, hyper personalized touch instantly elevates the guest experiences. Are you intrigued? Well, let's break this down and how you can make this a reality in your hotel. Hyper-personalization is no longer a luxury, it is an expectation today. So let's explore how you can meet and exceed this expectation using AI at your hotel today. Now, let's start out with the big question. Why should you and your hotel care about AI driven, hyper personalized guest experiences today? Well, in today's competitive hospitality landscape, guests are no longer just looking for a place to stay, they want an experience. And the key to that experience is hyper personalizations. Guest wants to feel valued when their preferences are acknowledged and catered to. This builds not only loyalty but also encourages repeat stays with the guest. Hyper personalization also enhances operational efficiency. AI can now gather and analyze guest data faster any manual process you have in place today. And finally, it also drives revenue. When guest feels a hyper personalized connection, they are more likely today to upgrade and dine at your hotel restaurants if your hotel have a restaurant, or use any additional services that is at your hotel. This is key. And an example here is when we look at Marriott International, for instance, they now use AI to track guest preferences across all their properties. And if a guest prefers extra pillows or late checkouts, Marriott's AI powered system ensures that this detail is recorded and applied at the guest's next visit, no matter which location they chose to stay at. This not only boosts guest satisfaction but also loyalty. So, an expert tip here is start by collecting data during the booking, preferences, past requests, and any feedbacks they have provided to your hotel. Use this data to enhance each interactions during the guest stay at your hotel. So, how do you and your hotel actually implement an AI driven hyper personalization for your hotel? Now, here is a step by step process. First, start with data collection. Start with the basics like booking data, guest preferences, feedback, and any type of behavior during their stay. And then focus on next on AI integrations. Use AI tools to analyze this data and predict preferences. Platforms like AI assistants, chatbots like Velma from QuickText can automate responses and make recommendations. And we also want to focus on a seamless experience for the customer and guests. So integrate AI suggestions into guest interactions, like check-ins, room service, and more hyper-personalized offers. And then last but not least, we want to make sure that you monitor and improve the process. So you want to regularly audit how AI is performing, and are guests now responding positively to any of your AI implementations? And are there areas where the human touch also need to be restored? These are important questions or areas to audit and look at. So examples here that we have seen is that, for example, Hilton hotels have introduced their AI-powered concierge, Connie, to assist guests with information about the hotel and local attractions. And Connie not only enhances the guest experience, but also gathers data to improve future interactions. So, an expert tip here is to start using a pilot project to test how AI driven hyper personalizations work in your unique environment. That is essential. Start small, like using an AI assistant chatbot, as I mentioned, for frequent answered questions. And then you can expand as you see the success with your AI tools. Now, one major concern we often hear from hoteliers is that AI might replace the human touch. But here is the thing, my friends: AI should enhance human connections, not replace it. So we want to focus on using AI for routine tasks, automating check-in procedures or room allocations, and keep human interactions for high emotion moments like welcoming the guests, handling complaints, or offering more hyper personalized recommendations. And an example here is the Hyatt hotels uses AI to allocate rooms based on guest preferences, but the front desk staff still personally greet the guests, ensuring a blend of efficiency and warmth. So, an expert tip here is to make sure that you involve your staff early in the AI implementation process. This is essential, and train them on how AI works and show how it makes their jobs easier, not redundant. Now, like any new technology, AI hyper personalizations also comes with its challenges. And here are the top three mistakes and how to sidestep them. The first mistake is over automation. Don't let AI completely replace human interactions. Guests still want to feel valued personally. And the second mistake is related to data privacy concerns. Now, we want to be transparent about data usage. Guests should know how their information is used to enhance their overall experience. That is essential. And of course, another mistake is lack of training. This is probably one of the most common mistakes we see today. Your staff needs to be comfortable using AI tools today. So invest in training to make the transition smoother and more valuable for everyone involved. So an example here is that Citizen M Hotels uses AI check-in kiosks, but ensures that human staffs are available to assist maintaining a balance between efficiency and the personal touch. So, a tip here is to always keep a human centric approach when it comes to AI. Technology should support hospitality, not overshadow it. Now, hyper-personalization in hospitality is not just a trend, it is the future, and that future is here now, my friends. By blending AI efficiency with human warmth, you can create unforgettable guest experiences that sets your hotel apart. But the key is to start small, monitor your progress, and keep refining your approach. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and make sure you share this video team and also share your thoughts in the comments. How are you using AI to enhance the guest experience if you're using AI? And let's just keep the conversation going. Now, of course, I don't want to leave you hanging here today. So I'm going to provide an exclusive offer for you here today. I'm offering a free 60-minute AI consultation to help you with your hyper personalization with AI. And together we will discover how AI can work for you, not against you. We will also uncover strategies to boost efficiency and guest satisfaction for your hotel and help you gain clarity and confidence in leveraging AI for real results. Don't let confusion be what's holding you back. Let's take this first step together in collaboration, and we will see how we can innovate with your hotel and create some new unique customer and guest experiences with hyper personalization through AI.